Hello everyone, how to use RapidTV short dramas application. So first of all, you need to install it and then open the app. Then you can see here it's loading now. Just wait a second to get this app. So now it's loading now. Now you can choose the language. So here are a couple of languages. I just keep the English one. You can change rest of the things. Confirm. So you have to watch ad, so it's not totally ad remover, so you just need to wait. And here you can see you don't need to create your account. You'll get here thousands of short videos. If you tap here the for you, then you can see the videos. Tap here me, then you can see here the guest. If you tap the settings, then you can see here privacy policy, so you can read it. And it's really easy to find. So home, go, and you can see here like okay, you can try it. It's really simple. There is no complicated things here, so you can try it.